Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on Taobao and 1688 Chinese shopping app. If you have the two app on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, and you find it difficult to change the language on the two app from Chinese character into English language, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can change your Taobao Chinese shopping app from Chinese character to English language, and how you can change your 1688 Chinese shopping app from Chinese character to English language for easy navigation. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation using 1688, Taobao or iDoFish or any Chinese e-commerce website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials about China importation using 1688 or Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply switch or change your Taobao Chinese shopping app and your 1688 Chinese shopping app from Chinese into English language. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do is to start with Taobao Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Taobao Chinese shopping app. Just like what you see right here, everything here was written in Chinese character, and how we can simply change this into English language. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on this profile icon right here. That's going to open up like so. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on this setting icon. That's going to open up like so. Next thing we want to do is to click on here. That's going to open up like so. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here. That's going to open up like so. Next thing we want to do is to click on here. Then the next thing we want to do is to click on here. The next thing we want to do is to click on English. The next thing we want to do is to click on confirm. In a few seconds, everything right here will be translated into English language, just like what you see right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the product here in English language. And the very good thing about this is that if you click on any of the product right here, you still have maintained the English language. So if I click on this one right here with free shipping, click on it, then it's going to load up and show me in English language, just like what you see right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see everything in English language. So this is for Taobao. Let's take a look at how you can simply change your 1688 Chinese shopping app into English language. I'm going to exit from here. Now, for you to completely change your 1688 Chinese shopping app into English language, you need to make sure you have your Alipay app successfully download and install on your phone. So let me show you how. The very first thing after you have successfully downloaded your Alipay app into your phone, next thing you need to do is to click on Alipay. So when you click on Alipay, it's going to open up like so. Then the first thing you need to do right here is to set up your language in Alipay to be English version. And for you to do that, first thing make sure you click on here, and it takes you right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon right here. That's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on switch version. So under your Alipay version right here, make sure you are on international or non-Chinese mainland user. Make sure this is checked and click on back. Next thing you need to do is to activate your translation part. And for you to do that, simply click on general. Then from general right here, go to translation 2. From the translation tools right here, make sure this particular button. So from translation 2 right here, make sure you turn on this button. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you choose your language to be English right here. Just like what you see this check mark right here, we have it in English, and you will have your translation part right here. So I just drag it to the top So once you set up all these, you can easily change the complete 1688 Chinese shopping app into English language. Let me show you how we can do that. After you have already set up your language in your Alipay, click on here to go back, click on here to go back, click on here to go back to the home page in Alipay. On getting to the Alipay home page, next thing you need to do is to click on the search icon right here. What you want to do here is to simply click on here and then make sure you type in 1688 and hit on search. In a few seconds, you are going to see a similar result of 1688 Chinese shopping app, just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on the first one right here. So it's going to take you right here, just like what you see right here. Everything was still written in English language. So, but for as long as you have already enabled your translation tool in Alipay, what you need to do is to simply click on translate right here. Once you click on translate, in a few seconds, everything right here will be translated into English language. So let's check it out. Now, just like what you see right here, everything has been fully translated into English language. You can simply come down below right there, click on this icon right here. It will take you to your 1688 dashboard, whereby you can read detail about what you have in your profile on 1688, just like what you see right here, and it's everything will be also translated into English language, just like what you see right here. So everything will still be translated into English language, just like what you see right here. You can see to be shipped, sending receipt, to emulate, and the refund after sale. So you can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more everything here is going to translate into English language. One good thing about this is also that if you click on any of the product link right here, you still maintain the English language. So it's as simple as that. The more you scroll down, the more products is going to load up and everything is going to show in English language. So basically, this is how to simply use your Taobao Chinese shopping app in English language, or how you can use your 1688 Chinese shopping app in English language. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao or 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or IDP, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.